Option paralysis in online dating. Option paralysis is feeling overwhelmed by too many choices in online dating. It's easy to fall into this trap when there are countless potential matches. Psychologist Barry Schwartz discussed option paralysis in his book The Paradox of Choice. Dating apps provide an endless cycle of swiping and scrolling without making real connections. Too many choices can lead to negative feelings and difficulty in making decisions. Online dating offers more options than ever, but research suggests it can be a bad thing. Having too many choices makes it difficult to narrow down options and make decisions. People become so overwhelmed that they end up not making any decisions at all. Option paralysis can manifest in spending hours scrolling without connecting, not messaging matches, and not committing. If any of these sound familiar, you may suffer from option paralysis in your dating life. To overcome option paralysis, be more selective in who you message and respond to. Set a time limit for online dating and focus on potential matches during that time. Remember that online dating is just one way to meet people. Be open to other opportunities. Option paralysis is a common problem in online dating, but it can be overcome with effort and mindfulness. Be selective, set limits, and explore other ways to meet people.